So after we've just covered the eraser tool, now let's go on to the hand tool. The hand tool is probably one of the most used tools, but forgotten. It's almost become subconscious to use it as you're working in Flash and you're zoomed in and you want to see a lot of detail. The last thing you want to do is come over here and try to manually move it horizontally and vertically. So that's where the hand tool comes in. Simply scrub it around and it's it's navigating through your canvas. Now if you zoom out, if we zoom out to full size, we can still use the hand tool whether we're zoomed right in or zoomed right out, but most of the time you won't really use it if you're zoomed out. It's mainly for when you're in tight and you want to see the level of detail. Now I never use the hand tool over here. What I do is, let's say I'm working and I've just filled in this, instead of coming over here, clicking on the hand tool, coming back over here, moving, coming back over here, changing back to whatever tool I was working on. It's a really nice shortcut. You simply hold down the space bar and the hand tool appears. Let go of the space bar and the previous tool that you're working on reappears. So real easy, real quick. You'll use it all the time, the hand tool.